afternoon, good afternoon. Cleet Titus here, back with you with United Youth Aviators. We expand kids' minds, one takeoff at a time. I'm happy to have our newest student. We love her energy. She came from a real good person who, one of our great leaders in the community, Darlene Millie. You know, her mom works for the community member, so the city council members of it, and we're gonna let her say some things.
Hi, my name is NYLLAH. I go to Banneker.
All right, start over. Go ahead.
Hi, my name is NYLLAH. I go to Banneker. I'm from Brooklyn, New York.
System 13593, Public Tower.
I took this program because I want to teach a career in engineering. I wanted to try something new.
That's it, and we here, we flying, we making this happen. So thank you guys, and we're gonna see you guys out on the taxi. Deuce out.
To the exit for southwestbound departure.
That's all
Y'all
right.
talking a secret code.
November 238 Romeo, Republic Ground, go ahead.
Hey, say your whole thing.
Republic Ground, Skyhawk, November 232 Romeo at Echo, requesting taxi for touch and go with whiskey.
I just want to verify the call signs 2328 Romeo, out of Echo.
Correct.
Correct.
Roger, and 28 Romeo, stay your direction of flight.
Touch and goes.
Touch and goes.
November 28 Romeo, touch and goes, on request, runway 14, taxi via Alpha.
814 via Alpha.
14 via Alpha.
28 Romeo.
28 Romeo.
Alright, good. So one hand here.
Papa Golf, runway 14, taxi via Bravo.
This. Add a little bit of power.
0 Papa Golf.
Add a little power. Power.
4975.
Look outside just a little. Let go to brake.
I want to hear her.
Alright, now bring the power out. Power out back to 1,000.
November 4975 Golf.
Okay, so feet controls left and right. Alright, so 1,000.
4975 Golf.
Alright, 1,000. No, yes you can, it's alright. Now, right rudder, push the right rudder, push the right rudder in. Okay. Alright, that's too much. You want to keep that center line in between your feet, okay? Alright. You give some deuces.
5 Golf.
Maybe.
Your direction of flight is southwest.
Okay, go straight.
75 Golf.
Alright. Yep, so now you can leave this, bring this back up to 1,000. We got momentum. Alright, so you see the jet? To it, Romeo, you want me to hold here for the jet?
Negative, they're going to enter the ramp at Papa.
Okay, cool. So clear right, clear left, we following him. Oh wait, you want to keep that center line in between your feet, okay? Alright, go left. So you want to slowly start pushing your left rudder in. Look outside, left rudder, top left brake. Top left brake. Just a little, just right, boom. Alright, so this is what we're going to do for takeoff, right? We're going to keep your feet on the ground. I'm going to control the feet, you're going to control the power and the throttle, right? The throttle and the flight yoke. So what happens, this is how it goes. When they give us clearance, we're going to do a roll clear. I'm going to tell you push the throttle all the way in. What you see right now, it's not all the way in. He don't have his throttle all the way in. When he turns from there, he go all the way in. Alright?
And ground 66.
I'm going to do everything else. I'm going to tell you to say airspeed alive. Say it to me, not to them.
Oh, airspeed alive.
Then you're going to pull this back at 55. And when I tell you to rotate at 55 and bring this up to 10, this yellow. Alright, let's switch this to tower. Switch that button. Hit that.
Takeoff number 70.
Alright, so you're going to say Republic Tower. 28 Romeo.
Romeo.
Holding short.
Holding short.
148.
8814.
Alpha 8. Say it one more time.
Public Tower 2
0 Papa Golf.
Romeo.
Contact departure. Have a good one.
14 Alpha 8.
There you go. Alright, go ahead.
Republic Tower 28 Romeo 14 Alpha 8.
Say holding short, but okay. I take that.
Holding short.
That's okay.
Number 2328 Romeo, Public Tower. Hold short of runway 14.
Hey, holding short.
Holding short.
28 Romeo.
28 Romeo.
Alright, good job, good job.
And Republic Tower.
Alright, we're going to go down the runway, and then we're going to look at the air. We're going to scream airspeed alive to me. I'm going to do it with you. I got you covered. Alright, Squid.
4975 Golf, Republic Tower. Roger, join the right down for
Nervous? Yeah, you're going to love it.
No, it's just cloud cover is very low.
2328 Romeo, runway 14, line up and wait. Traffic to that one.
Say line up and wait. Say line up and wait.
Line up and wait.
28 Romeo. 28 Romeo.
28 Romeo.
Alright, lights, turn your lights on, all of them. Say lights, turn them all on.
Lights.
All of them. Land and tap, turn all these lights on.
7 say parking.
Turn them all on. Say lights, that's it.
Lights.
Oh, no, to me. Say
lights.
Lights.
Just area 50.
Camera, 1200. Say 12, say camera.
Oh.
Say camera.
Say to the camera.
Or say lights, camera.
Oh, lights, camera.
Out action.
Out action.
Three things you say before you take over the thing is remind you, make sure everything is good. So he told us to line up and wait. Please do this when you on the, when you off. We're doing the same thing.
Just area 57, yep, not a problem. Right turn at your discretion. For 28 Romeo, make right traffic, wind 15010, gust 16, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff.
Hey, Romeo.
8 Romeo.
Hey, full power. Okay, up, full power, feeling around, all the way in.
Runway 14,
Alright, hold it with your finger, hold it. Say airspeed allowed. Say airspeed allowed.
Airspeed allowed!
You ain't gotta yell. Alright, you ready? Rotate 55, pull back. Pull this to you. Pull the flight yoke to you. Pull it back. Just one hand, keep one hand on here, one hand on here. Alright, cool. That was not bad, right? Alright, but you gotta look outside there. Alright, keep it straight. Alright, good. Keep your hand on there, make sure that don't slide back. Alright, 10 degrees, nose up. Remember, 10 degrees, you see that? You want that yellow on a 10. Alright, cool. Hey, that's good.
Oh my god!
That's pretty crazy, right? Alright, this is good. So we're going to keep going. We at 700 feet. Good. You want to say a shout out to your moms or whomever?
Oh, shout out to my mom, my auntie.
They say like try to talk into while try to keep.
Oh, shout out to my mom, my auntie, my grandma, and my job for the opportunity.
Charlie, traffic's over Belmont.
All love, y'all. We love that.
900 feet.
Alright.
Turn base, runway 14, clear, touch and go. Right traffic, wind 130 at 9, gust 15.
They say clear, touch and go.
Clear, touch and go.
Clear Romeo.
Clear room.
Alright, so we're going to turn base here.
And Republic Tower 626.
Alright, slow down a little bit.
6, Charlie, for exchange brief.
Good. So we're going to here. This is what's called a touch and go. So we touch the plane, take right back off. Right? So we're looking over there, you see it? Oh.
It's a whole lot of land. I don't know what I'm looking at.
Look for the runway. Alright, cool. So slow it down a little bit. Up, slow down. Alright, push the flaps all the way down. Full, good. Alright, hand power.
Republic Tower.
Alright, slow down a little bit. Pull it back.
Holding short, runway
That's good.
14, ready to take off.
Alright, add a little power. Right for the 1-4, add a little bit more power. Add power, in. I'm going to tell you when to bring this all the way out. Alright, nice and slow. Alright, start doing it now. Bring it all the way towards us. Alright. In, all the way in, all the way in. Up, 10 degrees.
Back up?
Yeah, 10 degrees. All the way in. Too shabby, not too shabby. Pull that nose up 10 degrees. Pull it up to 10. Pull it back towards you. Slowly. Good. Right there. Right there. 10. Pull it. Up. Good. Alright, so we're going to turn to the right. Pick a point off your shoulder. You got to turn to it. You got something? Yep. Right there. Keep turning. And then hold it right there. Pull the nose. Right. Hold it right there and turn. And do the work. Good. That's enough. That's enough turn. Just hold it in place and let it keep banking. Alright, bring this closer. Alright, you're going up, 10 degrees, pull to you. Alright, level off. Alright. Well, now look back at the runway we just took off, you see it?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to turn down one.
Romeo, make sure to approach.
Make sure to approach. Alright, so we're going to do this with me, okay?
Something make sure holding for 14, Charlie.
For 730, make right
Watch
traffic,
this.
runway 14, Charlie, clear for takeoff, and 15010,
The runway.
in the down for
Look at the runway.
14 Charlie cleared for takeoff, and we got the traffic information. Yeah.
What do you think this is going to be cool? This is a short approach. that. whole different perspective, right?
Number 28 Romeo, right turn on 14 or Golf, ground 26.
Golf, thank you. 28 Romeo. All right. Yeah, we can't really go too far. Don't worry about it. You got some more flights. A whole lot more. So, alright guys, we really appreciate you coming with us for the flight. You know, NYLLAH did a great job. Our first time flying. Was excited, nervous at first, but we broke that nervousness, right? I'll let you say your bonds.
Bye, y'all. This is actually really fun. I got confused, but this is like...
Yeah, now she's gonna be a jet fighter pilot. Alright guys, peace out.